Hey, what's up? It's the Xinjiang. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Snapseed, the photo editor tools. This is the green color leaf. You can see here this green color leaf, and this Snapseed is the good photo editing tools and coming from the Google LLC. And then there is no advertisement and nothing is here, or you can download this app from for your PCs. So this is the app for Android, iOS, and this app for you can download for your PCs. So separately you can download it from your desktop. So first I open, and to you now I'm going to show you how to use the Snapseed add to edit a few images that I have taken from my this smartphones, and this photo, and this flower, the name of this flower is Kodam flower. You can find it in Bharat, India. The Kodam flower and the lens rear, and I have taken this image from real lens, 8 MP, only 8 MP real lens, only 8 MP. And the latest smartphone has the more than 50 MP. So this is a very good. You can see. Now I can use some photo from this Snapseed tool, and this app is developed by the Google LLC. So how to import this photo? Just click on the open or plus button. Just click on the open, and I can, if you have the drive, so you can select drive. If you have the gallery, go. So my photo is on the gallery, so I bring it from gallery. This is from camera, and what I should select this one. Okay, and you can see this is the portrait, smooth, pop, and issue, morning, fine art tools, silhouette. So this is the style, and this is this tool. There are different tools here. Here is tune image, details, curve, white balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, selective brush, everything here. At first I select tune. So this is the brightness, contrast, saturation, ambient, highlight, shadow. This is the main basics tool. So first I increase the brightness. And increase the saturation. Just increase saturation. Less saturation, increase a bit more saturation. Okay, now I increase the shadow, more shadow. So you can see, if I decrease, you can see the front becomes more shadow. Okay, a bit increase the shadow. Okay, and highlight. And how do you highlight? So a bit increase the highlight, ambient, just decrease the shadow, darkness. Highlight is ambient is decrease the shadow. Just if I increase the ambient, and we should decrease the shadowness. Okay, and you can just increase the shadowness, and because it's full this the stick like petal, it's not a yellowish, it is a bit whitish. So to make a whitish, okay. Okay, so I did everything and in this tool. So I have done to use all tools: bright, contrast, saturation, ambient, highlight, shadow, and warm. So just click on the tick button, apply. Okay. Okay, again go to the tools and to increase the details. Okay, it turn this image more HDRI. Okay, and I finish, just click on here, apply it, and again the curve, white balance is not white balance, temperature. So if I increase temperature, no, we don't need these tools because I have already used the temperature in previous tool. So cross, don't use it. Tools, crop. Okay, I can use, so no, it is, everything is okay. So tools again, and selective vintage set. I don't know, want the vintage effect, black and white, and lens blur. Okay, I'm using the lens blur. So it has already a blur in the background, so we do not I'm using a bit blur lens blur tool. Again, to lens blur effect. Okay, if you click on it here, you can see that everything is okay on the lens blur. So again, click it here. Click on the outside, so you can see without the circle elliptical area. So if you satisfy, now I am satisfied. So click on the right tick mark button. Now, oh yes, it is applied. So again, go to the tools and vignette effect. Yes, there is a vignette effect. Click on here. Click it in here. Yes. More brightness, and it is looks a stunning photograph. Professional photographer. Okay. So now I'm satisfied. Click it here. Yes. Now, yes, and there are lots of yes. We do not need any. We do not need any tools to more edit. It looks very nice, and it's very looking very good. So it is the time to export this image. So click on the export button, or just create a copy of your photo, create a copy, or and the second one is export. Create a copy as a selected folder. Export. No. Go back again. Export. Just export it as a JPEG. Export it as a JPEG. So just now all tools are applying in this session. First the lens blur is applying, then vignette. Oh, okay, or you can see from here. Yes, this is a is a neo. And if you see, this is a previous, and this is now. This is the after editing. This is the after editing, and this is the previous. This is taken from directly taken from camera, and this is after editing. That looks very nice. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with the next tutorials. Take care. Bye bye.